I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping one small area, cleanse and dry so the thread can grip. Once done, fold a 3/4 inch length of 100% cotton thread and tie a strong double knot, leaving loops. You hold the loop in your dominant hand and press the skin taut with the other hand to create a flat surface. Make short, practiced wrist motions to feel the tension. You're now ready to place the thread on the hairline and begin the first pass with steady, controlled snaps. Once you've made a few successful snaps, increase control by twisting the thread 5-8 times before each catch to form the pinching loop that pulls hair. You work in half-inch sections, aligning the open loop to catch hairs in the growth direction and pull with a short, crisp motion. Make sure to angle the thread near 30 degrees and keep your wrist relaxed so movements are small and precise. You'll see improved consistency as you repeat this rhythmic twist and snap sequence across the target area. You finish by sweeping the area to remove loose hairs and soothe skin with a cool compress or aloe gel. Make sure not to apply heat or heavy makeup for 24 hours. If hairs are breaking instead of being removed, reduce the twists per pass and shorten your motions. Too many twists or slow snaps cause breakage. You should also sanitize your hands and workspace, discard used thread, and check for redness or irritation. If excessive inflammation appears, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.